check out what we were gifted. It is a steamer. I don't know if you've ever used a steamer, but it has so many versatile things to do. So not only cleaning, which is what I use our steamer the most for, whether it's going around the toilet seat or in the shower doing tile, but today we're going to show you a couple different things, but I'm mainly concerned about some Christmas curtains that I got that I can't get the wrinkles out. This is going to help with that. So that is what I am currently excited about. Look at all these attachments and everything that they give you. So if you are not accustomed to steamers, it's great to have a funnel to be able to pour the water directly in here. It gives you this little, do you know what this is for? It's to go over one of the heads, so you actually have the steam coming through the cloth. But look, more and more and more items. Used for scrubbing, stainless steel, perhaps for the barbecue. I'm not a barbecue cleaner, so you know what? That won't be mine. It comes with the lid. This actually goes right on top of the steamer. It's what holds all the steam inside of it. We're gonna get these filled up with water, which, by the way, it comes with a little water filler, so you are perfectly pouring right in there. Let's get this started. It has to sit for a few minutes to get heated up. I will time that for you and let you know just how long it takes. Okay, so it took less than 2 minutes to get hot, which is what I like because when I'm in the cleaning mood, I'm in the cleaning mood right now, not 20 minutes from now. This little tiny red button pops up and the light turns green when it's ready. Now, let me just show you one example that we use it for is tile. So once you spray it, can you hear that? That sanitizes your tile, gets in the grout, gets those dirty germs out of there. Not only that, I know I'm in the kitchen, but I'm using this as an example. We can take it into the kids' room and sanitize their toys. You can't put these in the washing machine if you want them to come out as glorious as they started. This gets all the little germies off that if your kiddo's sick and wiping their nose on it, well, guess what? We're gonna spray away. But the moment of truth, I need to go over to the curtains because that is what I got this out for originally. Okay, I forgot to tell you how easy it is to add the attachments on there. Now, if you can see, all it does is click into place, and it's one-handed to get it off. So you would just push the button and pull it off, and then you would go on to the next one. So simple. Just again, you're going to find where the little hole is and click it into place, and then you're easy to throw it off. But right now we're going to do the curtains. Okay, so this is our simple little curtain washer, but it's actually a window washer also. So if you took off the cloth, it would be your window washer. This little extension will make it just a little bit easier to use. So we're gonna click that into place, and then you're gonna put this on, twist and turn, and then that locks that into place right there. Let's watch the magic. So as you can see, it had wrinkles. We are just gonna run it down and watch them disappear. I do not have to wash or dry. I'm just going to steam clean this entire thing. It's not going to hurt anything. So even if you had some clothing that you needed to steam clean out the wrinkles, you can do that as well. This is so versatile. Of course, it's just going to dry and go right back the way it needs to be. So if you were in need of a great steam cleaner that gets all the germs off without using all those chemicals in your house, this bad boy is what I would choose.